Alright guys, before this video starts, I want to let you guys know this video is brought to you and sponsored by Fuush. Hey, I'm going to show you guys something, man. My newest pickup. This is for all my sneakerheads, you feel me? I never put none of my shoes on video, but maybe I need to do a shoe collection video or something like that for all my shoe heads, you feel me? Let me know if you guys want to have that before we start this video, before I pull this car in the garage and do what I got to do. I'm gonna show you guys these new kicks I picked up, man. I've never picked up a pair of these before, just because I've always slept on them, you feel me? I want you guys to see them, man. This light is toe up, man. You guys know what this is? You guys seen these? They're freestyles, man. These are the Dornbecker 14s, feel me? Check this out, man. Full glory right here, man. You know what I mean? These are the 14s, if you don't know. Dornbecker, this is created by kids in fucking the hospital, you know what I mean? Dang, cut that cussing, bro. The hospital. These ones, the kid that had his surgeries and you know, it's from the Northwest. You see that Seattle on the shoestrings. The 6 on the back of here is from how many surgeries he had. You know, it's a lot of detail. Usually, this right here, usually this is a 23 in the 3D-ish setting right there, but that's a double E for his name, Ethan. You know what I mean? I thought that's, you know, he got them to do that. That's kind of hard. So these ones, you know what I mean? People from Seattle really, even though I live out here, you know what I mean? I wish they made some LA joints, because this right here I feel like it's hard, because you know the Space Needle, you feel me? These joints got the Space Needle on the back of them joints right there, man. Come on, man, you can't look at that. You see that little raindrops on the midsole right there? That's not dirt, that's not real rain, that's raindrops. And this one comes with the white shoestring. Feel me? Yes, sir. Let me spin it around for you guys. Come on, man. I don't even know if I'm gonna wear these, man. I think the resale is only hard, but I don't resell my shoes, but I just feel like these are gonna be, I don't know if I'm gonna wear them though. But there you go right there, purple shoestring or white shoestring. These purple joints, and this right here, man, this shimmer on them joints like a fish. You know what I mean? What are them one fish I used to have as kids, man? They have all different colors. This is what it look like. This is what it reminds me of. You turn it, purple, blue. You see the green in there. Don't join this hard, man. Yeah. Anyway. I had to show you guys that. Let me know if you a sneakerhead in the comments also. Let me know if you picked up a pair of these. Let me know what Dornbeckers you might have. Are you a shoe guy? You know what I'm saying? I feel like I want to bring this to the channel, or you know, bring it to this video just to add a little something to it. And since I never bring my shoes, and to let you guys know that I actually am all around a shoe head, a car head, and a clothes head, man. I love it all. And make sure you pick up your merch, man. DM me. You see, if you've seen a couple of my videos, you've seen the hoodies that I wear. The GELA, grind every day, living apparel. We live by that. We die by that, man. There's, by any means necessary, grind every day. We don't, it's not a lifestyle for us. We live for it. You know what I mean? I grew up, I lived it. You know what I mean? It's nothing to me. I'm not trying to live a lifestyle like somebody else. It's just something I live. You know, grind every day. I live it. It's what I love to do. So if that's what you're about, make sure you DM me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and let me know you want a hoodie. You feel me? I got beanies, hoodies. What else I got? And I got hats. Of course, you guys see my hats motivated on the side of them. Stay motivated. Stay positive. You feel me? So I'm gonna put these shoes up and then we're gonna get to the video. God damn, I made that long. Ah! What's poppin', GE? Gangsta boy, Fuush nigga. Boy, Fuush nigga, man. Back with another video, man. You already know what time it is. Hey, this has only been a week since my last video, so I'm doing real good right now. And so today I'm bringing you guys a little slight mod today, you know. I don't know, there's a little mod, just a little addition I'm doing, you feel me? Came in the mail, I'm like, why not? I had this on one of my cars a couple years ago. I said, why not throw it on this car? It's gonna make it look, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna make it look at nighttime, you feel me? So we're gonna get this mod done. Packages right there, obviously. I'm in the garage again. Kicked her smooth the F out, you feel me? Let me see, man. Come on, man. So, let's see if you guys can guess what I'm doing. You see lights right there? You see them lights? Them got to go. You feel me? Dig what I'm saying, man? So I'm gonna make this quick. I'm definitely this might be like a 10-minute max video. I shouldn't have no trouble. If I have trouble with this, I'm gonna stop messing with cars. You feel me? So I'm gonna get this done so I can edit this joint out and put it up tonight, cause I ain't gonna have time the other day. It's gonna be another 3 weeks if I wait. You know what I'm saying? So if you're new, this is for everybody that's new. Hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button. Don't just watch the video and disappear. Subscribe and then go check out my channel, man. Go to my playlist and run it up. Watch the whole, everything I've done in my car so far is in them videos. So you got people that come to the channel and they watch the one video and I don't know why they don't browse or go to your channel, just think that's the only video you got on YouTube. No, my guy, go browse the channel, man. I got plenty of stuff on there for now. You know what I mean? So do that for me. Hit that notification bell as soon as you subscribe and then scroll up, hit all, and you're good to go. Every time I post, you're gonna be notified. You feel me? And if you're part of the 300 gang, you're gonna see certain shit. You feel me? It's certain guys I follow on YouTube, and they don't post at all. It's like been 3, 4, 5, 6 months since they posted, and they got some hard. Them cars is hard, and you know what I mean? I'm like, damn, I'm trying to see new videos, see what everybody doing to their cars. I just like seeing that type of ish. You feel me? So I'm like, man, I'm just gonna have to run it up myself. Cause there's not too many people on YouTube doing Chrysler 300, you know, putting all their mods on YouTube for some reason. You feel me? It's a couple, and then those guys don't punch for months on top of months. And I know I go a couple weeks without doing something, but I'm not trying to be one of those guys. Cause sometimes YouTube get real dry, you feel me? Real dry. So I'm trying to put out content so when people are watching stuff, they get bored, boom, you watch something. The car right there, the monster, black Micro Night, Black Excellence. You already know what time it is. So let me run it up, man. Let me quit talking. Pop these things in, show you what it is, and I'm gonna catch you guys back when I got it in. Yeah. Yes, sir. Just like that, we are back. Less than 5 minutes. I know that the way it showed up on camera, 5 minutes. You feel me? Yeah. So I'm gonna turn off the lights, man. I'm gonna let you guys see. Did you guys guess what it was? It was pretty simple, huh? I mean, I changed out some lights. What you think I'm gonna show? What you think replaced those lights? Leave a comment. Let me know. Let's turn the lights and get to it, man. This is Sparta! Yes, sir. Come on, man. The Royal Blue 300? Come on, man. Why you doing like that, man? Come on. This is Sparta. Yes, sir, man. Yeah. Little quick something. And just so you guys know, I do have the other two coming for the back doors, you feel me? Yes, I do. 300 is one of my favorite movies. And the way that this is written, you know what I mean, looks like the movie. It's not just no regular 3, not no regular zeros, you feel me? So I had to cop them. Now, you know, this is a little quick something. I'm gonna give you guys a little montage, pulling the car out, showing you outside in the dark. I'm gonna give you like a little something. I'm not gonna make a video like 5 minutes long. I'm gonna give you guys a little something. You know what I mean? It's dry. Only 300s on YouTube. It's dry. So I gotta give you a little something. So give me a minute and we're gonna get to pull this thing out. Let me set up this camera. Feel me? Yeah.
All right, y'all. So let me know what you guys think about this little, it's not a mod, but let me know what you think about this little addition that I did to it. You know, it's a little something just to add a little to it. You know, at nighttime, my thing is I like lights, I like digital, I like how, you know, your car look at nighttime, some people have underglow lights and all that type of stuff, which is cool. I don't know if that's really my thing, but I like this kind of stuff, especially like, you know what I mean? The dash, you feel me? And shit and stuff like that. And the door lights, you know what I mean? Come on, man. This is Sparta for real. I'm telling you. Oh, look, it done got real dark, my nigga. Come on. Yeah, so, you know what? Let me finish this up in the garage. All right, that's better. A lot more light, a lot more light. So like I said, run it up in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know if you guys had these same lights. Let me know what kind of LED ghost lights you have in your doors. You know what I mean? If it has the Chrysler symbol or if it has the regular 300. Maybe you found something that have the Sport or the S. You feel me? You know, run up in the comments. Let me know. Also, let me know what you think about the channel so far, man. Let me know what you guys want to see. I have big plans for this car. Trust me when I tell you that. I have big plans. This car is going to be the sleeper of sleepers. You feel me? Because I got a lot of people in the comments. It's a V6. Don't tell nobody. Because when they pull up on me, when I get that thing, you're going to be like, what he got? You feel me? It ain't just a V6. Yeah. Anyway, run up in the comments. Let me know. Make sure you subscribe. Like I said, right now it's at 60% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. What are you waiting for? Do that for your boy, man. Come on, I'm gonna keep bringing content, period. I'm not gonna go 6 months without making a video. You feel me? It's just not gonna happen. So please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, ding, scroll up, ding, all clear out. You're done, you're good to go. You'll be notified every time. And that's how you know you real GE gang. Grind every day. Grind every day, no matter what. You get up and get the ish done. And that's what I do. I might be tired. I work 70 hours a week. I'm tired. I don't want to make no videos, but I'm making videos. I'm getting it done. And then I got to go edit the videos. You feel me? But when you get new stuff in the mail and stuff come in your car, you're like a little kid. It gets you your energy right back up. You like, you feel me? I like got transformed. Niggas like I'm ready to go. Transform from a whole energy to a whole. So that's it for the video. I don't want to keep dragging this thing on because I gotta go chop this thing up and see how I'm gonna put this thing together. And hopefully you guys like it. And if you like it, let me know. And like I said, let me know what you think about the channel. What do you guys want to see? Do you like what you see? Am I giving you guys ideas? Because I'm sure drawing ideas from people that I see cards on Instagram and a couple I've seen on YouTube, the couple that are on there, but mostly from Instagram. I draw a lot of that. And I'm like, yeah, I want to do something like that, but not that, but something like that. You feel me? So it's all inspirational. It's a car culture. You know what it is. If you're watching the video, you know about the car culture. It is what it is. You feel me? You can't get enough of it. So, and I plan on adding a new car next summer for sure. My girl, we're getting rid of the Caddy. We're going to jump her into something. Trying to figure out if I want to keep a Dodge or if I want to get something luxury. She bougie. She bad and bougie. You feel me? She bad and bougie. So we're going to figure that out. But, I'm going to get out of here, man, because this video is dragging on, bro. I just want you guys to let me know what you think. Run me some comments, because I got the Twitter fingers, you feel me? I like to comment back, you feel me? Even the trolls, I like to, you know what I'm saying? I like to do that, so. Oh, here, go right there. Hey, how you doing? You gonna be gone next summer, hope you know that. Sheesh. It's your boy Fuush, man, we outta. Come on, man. We gotta end the video. It's your boy Fuush, man, we outta here, man, yeah.